Smile, you're on YouTube. You need to come go with me. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. And man, I feel like I can play some soccer now. So you can kind of see what we ended up with. See how when you use that creativity, you can kind of come up with different things and make your yard look a certain way. And again, I know some folks don't care for it, and that's completely fine, but I'm gonna tell you what, I absolutely love it. You can see we got these really big boxes, small boxes, oblong, rectangle boxes, perfect little square boxes. We got all kind of boxes going on. We can call this the yard of boxes. I don't know. This is really cool. I'm really excited about this. I'm tickled and very pleased with my front yard. Little update on my tracks here. They're kind of healing up. Chances are that's not going to heal up until we get some heat next year. I'm okay with it. And boy, I'm telling you, it is cut tight as a tick. Look at that right there, boy. Holy cow. That's cut it at 1 inch right here. In a way that's kind of addicting right there. I can just sit there and rub that turf all day long. You can see the ryegrass is down in there and it's doing really well. That's where you're seeing all the color. And then obviously we still got plenty of Bermuda down in there. And look at the Bermuda. It's still got a really good dark green color to it. It really hadn't checked out completely. But now one thing, I believe the rye is protecting that Bermuda over here because the rye is so thick. But when you get over on this side, you can see the Bermuda has lost some of its color, and I believe that's probably because it's just more out in the open and doesn't have any protection from the rye. But I do have tons and tons of Kentucky bluegrass in here, and I don't think the bluegrass has been able to really do its thing yet because the Bermuda is just so thick. I'm thinking that when this Bermuda on this side checks out and goes dormant, I believe that's when we'll really start to see the bluegrass shine and come through and do its thing. So what's next? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. We'll have to let this go uncut for a week or so, let the stripes, you know, kind of dissipate, fade, go away, and in the meantime I'll kind of dream up something else and we'll do it all over again. You can see right here I took my weed eater, my string trimmer, and I drew out where my beds are going to be. It goes all the way down and all the way around, and I'm gonna come in and we'll round up this right here, clean up all the crap, get everything nice and neat around the outskirts, because I should be getting my last quote on my fence early next week, and obviously I'm gonna let them come in, put my fence up first, be done with that. Then I'm gonna come in here and we're going to plant all this with plants and bushes, and you know, ooh, look at how crooked that is. Well, I definitely got to straighten that out for sure. And we'll get all our plants, get it mulched, pine needle, whatever I'm gonna do, and she will look night and day different. I'll go back and do a video over winter and try and take my time editing it and make it real cool. and we'll go through start to finish from where we started with this piece of ground right here and where we're at today. For those of you that are new and haven't went back and watched the old videos, it is a drastic change. I could not be happier with this. I am tickled silly. So hey, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. Like, subscribe, and share, and tell all your buddies. For those of you who've been sending me emails and asking me about me and my family and COVID, we're pretty much, everybody's 100% over it and done with it. No real major symptoms to speak about, so we're very thankful and very grateful for that. So hey, be looking forward to do some really big things in 2021. I am super pumped up about that. I cannot wait to show you. Again, I appreciate you watching, and I'll check you later.